So, what are the modern answers to check fraud? I mean, you used to have people analyzing checks. I mean,
And
that's
there's still a lot of people analyzing checks.
because I guess it's mainly people stealing checks out of mailboxes and then altering the information on the checks.
Two ways we'll see that. So they'll alter information or whitewash a check because they just want the stock. Or it's relatively cheap for them to take the information that's on the check, not that I'm encouraging fraud, and create a driver's license off of it so that they basically can walk into a branch and just cash it. The bank branch in many cases would be able to look at a driver's license, but they probably have a little book in the back and they pull out the book and they're like, oh, it's somebody from Oklahoma, unless there's a policy that says we don't basically deposit out of state checks or use out of state identification, which could be a way that you're doing it. But the simple fact of the matter is a lot of this is just super block and tackle fraud is what we're saying. I'm not saying that deepfakes aren't a problem. They're a huge problem and they're growing faster. But there's still a lot of very, very basic fraud because it's easy. You don't catch it till it's too late and it's after the fact. So yeah, check fraud, we're seeing a lot of it. And the values are going up. Treasury fraud checks are ones that people try and cash all the time.
Well, and a story that I frequently tell my coworkers at the bank is we're not, the majority of the fraud that we're going to see is not like the Hollywood movie type of thing where there's a guy pounding on his keyboard for a few seconds.
Right?
Exactly right. Like, oh my gosh, I'm into the network and breaking in the firewall. It's a lot of this. The human element is really the area where we're most vulnerable.